So you're going to need 1 tablespoon of active dry yeast. This is a tablespoon in each one of these bags. Yeah,
So that's one.
There's our first one. All right, so we're going to use a cup each. It's 110 degrees. We're filling up the cup, and we're going to put it right in there. That's one. All right, so you're going to let that sit for how long?
About 7 minutes.
And then
Proof.
checking for the proofing.
3 tablespoons of sugar each.
3 tablespoons of sugar in each one. 1, 2, 3. Bam.
Half a tablespoon of salt.
Half a tablespoon of salt. 1. Next, we're going to put 1/3 cup of oil in. That's canola oil. Now we put 3 cups of flour in. 3. So she's going to mush it up. Now these go in here, warm water. All right, so now we got to pull these out. Okay, now we got to put 1/4 cup of flour in each one of these. One. All right, now we wait, what? How long?
An hour.
These have to sit here for 1 hour. White sesame seed, butter, and egg wash. Gonna go on the bread. Dump in the bread. Oh, there it is. Look at it. So we cut it in 3s, and now she has to roll it out into a long turd.
I don't like that word. Don't use that.
What would you call it then? A sausage? Oh, that's a long one.
It won't really roll today at all.
Just smush it out like that. That's a good way to do it.
Sweating.
It's a good workout for you.
Maybe no.
It's like yoga, but with bread. Oh, it's easier if there's no flour. Now, are you going to braid it on or off?
On.
Okay, so you got to kind of... Holy cow. That is one long worm.
Oh, I forgot. Shit. This happened last time. Oh, that's right. I just forget what's what.
I mean, there's a couple ways you could do it.
Yeah.
We might run out of pan.
No.
That's going to work. Yeah, that works. You're doing it.
This isn't right, but it's okay because it's still
Hey,
bright.
as long as it works. Just like you would be braiding your hair.
Yeah, it's just so funny because I completely have a mental block about it.
You have no blocks on your mental.
It's so weird.
Smush it back, yeah. So close. And yes, you were definitely correct. It totally fit, kind of. Bam, done.
That's not it. It's just interesting because I just
This
forgot.
one's much thinner than with the other ones we made.
Yeah, I just forgot.
The butter, then the egg. So this is a 3-step process. First the butter, then the egg, and then the sesame seed, white sesame seed. That worked perfectly. All right, here we go.
I don't think I used this last time. I don't.
No,
think
you
it
used
matters.
that real egg last
Yeah.
time, but this
I
is
don't think
this
it
is
matters.
this will be total vegan.
It's called bread in a bag, but I don't.
Bread in a bag, but it's total vegan. Vegan bread in a bag. That way you don't get any animal products, but you do get your daily required amount of plastic. There's just no getting away from it. Okay. Next comes the white sesame. Oh yeah. That's going to be delicious.
Look at the timing of this. Was that crazy?
It's perfect timing. It's because you're a genius. Yeah, get some sesame on there. I love sesame.
I know.
Oh, that's going to be phenomenal right there. That was well done. So now we're going to set it for 300 degrees at 40 minutes for this. All right, we're checking it. We're switching them because that one was getting too quick. So now we go. How long has it been in? And this bread's done. Should we taste it? Looks good. All right, let's try it out. Good. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to our channel and check out our other awesome videos where we make stuff like this. Yummy.